Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will tell you how to make this holo text with glow effect. So with due respect, let's start. Make a new document with traditional values 1920 by 1080, resolution 72, and if you want to print it, then you have to make it 300. And the background content, I have selected background color because the color here is in the background is black. If you have the background color white or anything else, so your document will be white or whatever color you choose. I have choose the black color because for this effect you need some dark color, so I have selected the black color. So press OK. We have a new layer here. Then select the text tool, write your text. I will wrote the glow here, so I have here. Then press enter or make it transform tool, Control T, hold Shift and R to transform it from the center, make it bigger. After that, Control A to select all, move tool to make it in the perfect center like this. First select the second option, then second last option. After that, Control D to deselect it. We have the text here, perfect text. Now we have to apply the effects. So blend out option, go to strokes, make a stroke value 7, and the color, the color of your text, same color. So I have white, so I will make it white. Okay, and now leave the opacity to 100, blend mode normal, position outside. So okay, after that coming back, make the fill value to 0, so we have the nice text that we want. After that, select this, make a new layer, and then hold Shift, select the second layer, merge this layer, and then you have this mask. Select this and then mask, like I will show it. You have this layer, select this and mask. So and then select this layer that the mask, it is white. So if the color, if your color is black, if you then when you use the brush, then your color is black, then it will hide the areas that you want. If it is white, it will make the area visible that you want. I have a black color and leave the opacity to 83. Any that you want, make it little bit bigger, and then use it like this on the upper side of the text, because I have to make the glow from downward. And this is the final. And now make a duplicate layer of it, Control J. After that, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and make it 5%, 5 point. So okay, after that again make a duplicate layer, and then again go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. This time make it 15. Okay, then again make a duplicate layer, again go to filter, one last time, blur, Gaussian blur, and then now make it 30 points and press OK. Now we have this. After that, make a new layer on it and select the paint bucket tool that I have here. Go here and select the color here of your glow that you want. I have this red color, so now press OK and make it red. So after this, what you have to do is come here, normal, change it to multiply. So we have this red glow effect. After this, we need some more glow in the downward direction. So after this, make a new layer place it under all of these layer, not down, not under the background layer, and then again select the brush tool, make it that time, now make it opacity to 10 or yes 10, 9 it is enough. And now make it like this. We will settle it later. This now after this make one more new layer like this and take it here, and then change its color to white. Press OK. After this make your brush smaller and then do like this, make a glow here, and then here, because we want to show it from downward direction, so we need to make more glow in these downward parts. So we have this. After that select this layer and a black color, and then make these black color, so it will be less appear. Like this. Now our glow effect is ready. If you look at this, this is the effect. When you make it like this, it will glow more. So this is the result that we want. If you like my tutorial, then subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more videos, and come back later for more videos. Thanks for watching my video.